elevator at the... Look at this. This is amazing. Oh my God. So I got to see the machine room for this earlier. God, this place is so cool. Here it comes. Oh my God. Whoa! Oh my God. Whoa. Oh, check it out. You can see down the shaft. This is amazing. This is so amazing. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, check out that PI. That's pretty cool. Oh my God. Whoops. Let's head to 1. Oh, here we go. Let's sit on the bench. 5. Oh, stopping at 4. Heading down? Going down?
Yeah.
All right, come on in. This thing's really cool. Sorry, I'm just interested in elevators.
All right.
This is beautiful. I'm guessing that's replaced?
Yes.
Yeah. It's pretty cool how you left the old thing in there. But you first.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay in.
All right.
Have a great day. Oh, look at the old rail. That is pretty cool. This is amazing. Oh my God. 2 amazing elevators. I cannot believe it. This is so crazy. Oh, look at the rail. All right. Let's send it down to 1 and watch it go. There it goes. And that's it.